Hi, baby. Can you say hi? Brayden. Brayden. I. Oh, there's your new pool. Just drink the water. I don't think that's how you're supposed to do that. I think you're supposed to get in the pool. Get in there. Get in your pool. Climb in there. What you doing there, kid? What you doing there, kid? Go run into the sprinkler. Great. Go. I'm recording you. Is that fun? Go play in the water. I think the pool is deflating. Braid. Are you getting all wet? Let's see. All wet. Say hi.
Ha.
Ha.
Hi.
Hi. Go run in the water. Go run in the water. Did you get all wet? Mommy's getting wet. Oh no. Brayden, you hear the airplane? Decide to come back outside? Come here. Come here. Brayden. I love you.
Puss.
I think I should clarify, when he says puss, he's talking about our cat, Miss Puss. I love you. Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Say I am so cute.
Cute.
You are so cute. Go run in the water. Yay! Sorry guys, that's kind of gross. Brayden, go play in that water or I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn the water off. Yeah. Hey. Go play in the water or I'm going to turn it off. Hi. Are you freezing? Freezing. Are you cold? Oh, look at his little face. Brayden, you cold? Can you say bye?
Bye.